Makers and engineers, we are at war. Get your munitions by utilizing the printer's pool. Heat them up, roll them up, and turn them into a cannonball, and load them into the Howitzer. Adjust the angle and pull the pin. Destroy your targets at will. It's time to pack up. Let's pull up the truck and mount the Howitzer into the truck. Leave no trace before your enemy have time to retaliate. Print your own Filament Purge Howitzer set now. Screws and springs are sold separately and can be purchased in Maker Supply.